think it's incredibly important for kids at this specific age level to get equipped with the knowledge and the skills to be able to navigate their newfound independence and be able to feel safe either online or visiting places that they go to regularly. We've been on a 5-week tour delivering some education programs in conjunction with our production code. We've been speaking to schools quite a lot about county lines, educating students on what that is if they don't know, talking about knives and knife crime, and just really giving them a holistic education on how they can keep themselves safe. And within that, we've also been delivering some creative workshops and getting an opportunity to expose them to other outlets and ways that they can express themselves.
It was important in order to make sure that that message about county lines and knife crime is really clear to our students. It's really important that they understand how vulnerable they can be, how easily they could actually become victims.
So we've got physical theatre, we teach them how to tell stories and use their bodies and body language. And in the rap workshop, obviously rap and music and hip hop is a key element in our production code. We've also got parkour. Obviously parkour is a huge element. We've got trials, bikes, and parkour in code. And so we give them a little bit of a try on some different skills with parkour, which is really fun.
My favourite workshop would have to be parkour because I like sort of climbing obstacles and swinging from bars. I think it's fun.
We've been learning about signs that someone could be part of a gang.
The topics of knife crime and child exploitation, the risk that they face is huge for them in this society today, and so we have to do something different. I think working with organisations like Just Emotion just helps us to do something quite entirely different for them.
And my favourite workshop so far was rap because it was really fun and the music was really good and we kind of really felt the music.
If you are struggling with anything, don't hold it to yourself. Make sure to tell someone, that maybe like a teacher, like the police, a trusted adult, anyone. Don't keep it to yourself.
Mixing it in a real creative way with physical theatre, with rap, with the parkour, with the experience that our students have today, just gives them a different edge, from a different set of voices that aren't people that teach them day in, day out.
The workshop have helped me realise what to look out for.
Today's educational visit was superb in delivering that message.